We were really excited to invite all the schools to come see what we do on a day-to-day basis to keep taps flowing, keeps toilets flushing, make sure your light switches turn on, and all the important work that kind of goes on behind the scenes in the community. And we're hoping that the more the kids know about what's happening out there, the more that will inform their future decisions, whether it's how to recycle, how to conserve energy. These are all important lessons that we're hoping to share with them at a young age.
Kids love it. It's been great. They really like more than just the flashing lights. They like getting in the car and seeing what it's all about.
We've gotten a lot of questions from the parents, and a lot of the adults are asking us some questions, so they also get the behind the scenes sort of look into what the city does every day.
There's a lot of things that people don't see, whether it's under the roads, overhead, out of sight, out of mind, and there's a lot of stuff that goes into the daily conveniences that we've all become very accustomed to.
I like to go in the tractors to honk the horns and press all the buttons. Probably my favorite part was like getting to experience like City of Penticton jobs.
You can just see their brains churning and trying to figure out how it's all connected. And then of course we've got the fun stuff, the bucket rides, the arborists out front, the big machinery to hop in the seat and take your picture with.
But it's just super cool to see everything out, and I think it's really important to show kids and different people the different stuff that we do and stuff they could potentially do.
Especially the older kids, they might consider getting into public works, getting into water, getting into working a piece of equipment, law enforcement, garbage, you name it.